Alright, I'm going to show you how to change the light bulbs on a 2004 Buick Lesabre. The easy way is to take out this bolt right here, and there's another bolt down here. Pull those two out. This whole light assembly is going to come out, and then you can go ahead and access this back lower, this is your low beam headlight. You can access that a lot easier than if you just try to stick your hand in here and those kind of things, which is what I've seen other guys on YouTube trying to do. So much easier to do it this way. 9006 light bulb for the low beam, 9005 for the high beam lamp right here. And it's the same if you come over here to the passenger side, same thing. You've got this short bolt right here, it's a 10mm head. And then you get this long one here, another 10mm head. Pull those out, just pull this whole thing forward. And there's going to be a little plastic, kind of clip back there that lines everything up. So you're not going to lose your beam alignment and anything like that. So just thought I'd be helpful. Oh, by the way, wear latex gloves when you're doing it because you don't want to handle. You don't want to touch these bulbs with your bare fingers. That oil in your fingers are going to really reduce the life of the bulb. So, you know, and a pair of these at Walmart today were like 35 bucks. So, and these are just the mid-range, not the super good ones. Super good ones were 45. So, just an easy way to do that. Hope this has been helpful. Bye.